I have just completed 20 questions. Let's see the score. Here the score is on your screen, 20 out of 20. Respected teachers, welcome to our YouTube channel EngTab. Today in this video I shall provide you the third set of the quiz of the course ASSAM Secondary Health and Well-being. The first question of this series is, what is the age group of adolescents? The correct option is 10 to 19 years. Next question. Which two principles are considered as the universal codes of conduct? Last one is the correct option of this question. Next question. What are various modes of transmission of communicable diseases? The correct option of this question is the first one, direct transmission, droplet infection, contact with soil. Next question. Which of the following is involved in respiration of human beings? The first one is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following sets comes under emotional violence? The second one is the correct answer of this question. Threatening, abusing, humiliating, scaring. Next question. How much of physical activity must one do apart from yoga to stay fit every day? The first one is the correct answer of this question. 20 to 30 minutes. Let's come to the next question. Dash refers to the process of being safe online. Cyber safety is the correct option. Next question. Surya Namaskar improves. The correct option is blood circulation. Next question. What is the chain of 5 apps that can cause infection? The last one is the correct answer. Feces, fluid, fingers, flies, feet. Next question. The four major sources of media are television, radio, newspaper, internet. Next question. What are the 4 main steps that always need to be followed in emergency situation? The first one is the correct option. Next question. Which one of the following is a permanent change in the body that does not occur due to regular physical exercise? The correct option is increase in the abdominal size. Next question. What does VLCPC stand for? The third one is the correct option of this question. Next question. Which of the following things should be avoided in case of an emergency? The last one is the correct option. Next question. Which of the following yoga practices helps in emotional management? The correct option of this question is Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara. Next question. How much should a person at least play any game per day after warming up to stay fit? The correct duration is 30 minutes. Next question. HIV is transmitted through which of the following set of activities? The third one is the correct option. Next question. Health related fitness do not include. Here balance is not related to fitness. Next question. Which of the following helps us in realizing our true self? Last one is the correct answer. pranayama and dhyana. Next question. Which asana works for increasing height? The correct option is Vrikshasana. Next question. Here I have just completed 20 questions. Let's see the score. Here the score is on your screen, 20 out of 20. Thank you so much.